Welcome to this EverView explainer. Today, we'll see exactly how it transforms model reviews for 4 key roles. What's the biggest bottleneck in your current process? Licenses, scheduling, or missing proof? Let's fix that. Sharing complex models is a huge pain, but EverView adapts to your specific role, starting with the reviewer.
Sound familiar? You really need to review a model, but you don't actually have Simulink installed.
The fix is easy. Reviewers just open a browser to explore and comment. Literally 0 installs required. What about safety assessors? They desperately need a concrete audit trail, not just empty meeting notes. EverView creates an annotated, license-free snapshot. It merges every comment into one file for undeniable audit evidence. Then we have team leads, who are drowning in scheduling conflicts. They really just need their time back. Instead of aligning chaotic calendars for slow screen shares, you shift to a completely asynchronous workflow. Just send one file and get one merged report back. No calendars to sync, no calls to host. Finally, suppliers. Sharing models outside your organization is usually a massive licensing nightmare for everyone involved. Now, you just hand over a single HTML file. You can even easily exclude sensitive subsystems securely. 4 vital roles, 4 huge advantages. Everyone profits, all working in one unified, totally frictionless workflow. So how much time could your team save if licensing and scheduling headaches just completely vanished?